Alright, so in this video I will be going through drawing page 1, number 3. You can see on number 3 here that my front view is missing. First thing I'm going to do is draw in that front view. I should see a box and then another box right in here representing this cutout. So I've got AutoCAD opened up. I'll start with my line tool from here coming across and then up. I'm going to use the offset tool. Looking at my blueprint, the width is 5 inches, the height is 2.5 or 2.5. So in AutoCAD I use my offset tool. Offset 5, hit enter. From this line to the right, offset 2.5. From this line up. But again, I want to keep space in between my views, so I'm going to offset 1 inch. This is just providing space again between my views. The width of my top view and the width or depth of my right side view is 1.5 or 1.5. So I'm going to hit offset, so 1.5, hit enter. Offset this line up and this line to the right. I'll add in this line in the top right corner, and now I'll use that trim tool to trim out any remaining lines, keeping our boxes for the top, front, and right side. And these two lines I'll delete, and these two lines I'll delete. There I've got boxes for my top, front, and right side. On my blueprint now, I can see that this line over is 2.5. So I'm going to offset 2.5, hit enter. I'm going to do it on my front as well. I can see that this line up is 1.25 or 1.25. Offset 1.25. This line up as well as my front, and you can kind of see I've got that front view figured out. Last line is this line here, and that's offset by 3/4 or 0.75. So I click that offset tool, type in 0.75, hit enter. That line over, this line up. Now I'm going to use my trim tool. I'm just going to highlight everything and trim out lines that I don't need. And that is what leaves us then with my top, front, right side. Last step is to add in these dimensions. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dimensions. So I switch it to my dimension layer, click linear, and I can start adding in my dimensions. Again, clicking on that enter key will speed the process up just by selecting the same command I had previously used. One, two, three, four, five, six dimensions. Again, they're the same dimensions that are off my blueprint. That completes part number 3 on drawing page 1. Thank you.